Alright, welcome back to the yearly unboxing video. Last year I unboxed the Galaxy S20 Plus 5G connection, about 40 other names on the end of that one, and it's still my best performing video on this channel. So here I am as a shill again to unbox the Pixel 6 Pro from Google, of course, you know. Hashtag Team Pixel, let's go. As you can see, I got the stormy black version, 256 gigs. You can get 128 or 512. I'm a data whore, and there is no expandable storage on this phone, so I got the 256. I could have gotten a 128 around when I ordered, which was Halloween, but you know, hey, better late than never. Google finally gave it to me, and here we are. So we're just gonna go ahead and open it. Luckily this year I have a camera arm that is holding my old phone, so that I can film this. Also, that was hot. Holy shit. Check this shit out. Wait for it. Ooh! And it comes in upside down. We're gonna save that for last. Everybody knows that the peelies are the best part of any phone box opening or anything opening. So something new this year, Google did not include a charging box inside of the phone box. There's just this USB-C to USB-C cable. As you can see, I don't have fingernails. This is very difficult. They have a USB, once again, to C connector. And then just instructions, which, once again, are fucking are extremely difficult to get out. But yeah, that's literally all that's in the box. I don't want to rip this apart because I'm not a fucking animal, but there's no box. So make sure that you have a USB-C box or, you know, some type of way to charge your phone if you do get this one. Honestly, this unboxing is going to take about 2 seconds. I kind of forgot, so, but better late than never. Here we are. I didn't know they put this on the front. Very funny. Shout out to the new camera visor, as some people are calling it. Very interesting, very cool. I didn't realize it was just going to be a white screen, so let me go and get this out and fucking... Oof, that shit was hot. That was hot, and here we are. Hold on, can I turn it on right quick? Gamer moment, check that shit out. Let's fucking go, baby. So, honestly, shout out to that. Just like camera hole in the top, and that's it. Then we got the camera visor on the back. Sorry, my big doofy hands are in the way. Oh, you can see me. That's me back there with my fucking dumbass hair. And yeah, this is the Google Pixel 6 Pro.